Kia ora, ko Freda waka hau. My haukainga is here in Waipawa. I am from the settlement, born and raised. I am the nursery manager for Te Toa Whenua. So I grow the trees that we put back onto our restoration project. First and foremost, I'm honoured as haukainga here to have this space and work within it and help manage it. The impact that we're seeing is that regeneration of natives and restoring our home. When I was growing up, it was mamae. So that's when we started seeing the effects of what Kauri Dieback has done to our ngahere. Pride would be the word, but it's beyond that, it's on another level. It's more of the whenua, the mauri that we're putting into our whenua and actually being able to regenerate or fix something for our future generations, like my tamariki. It's very important to me. My vision would be a playground for my tamariki to walk in, to explore, to breathe, to feel, to touch, all of the above, and just have that space where it's no mamae. I understand that in our environment that there are a lot of things that do happen and some things are unavoidable, but if we make a stand now, we're able to have that for the future. I want them to remember to be proud of who you are, to be proud of your whenua, and just to work hard towards a goal that can provide limitlessness in the future.